How to apply for Discover credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss about applying on Discover's credit card. First of all, open any of your preferred browser and go to discover.com. After that, you can access credit card options. For that, you can tap on credit cards and then review on different options. Click on all products located at the top if you want to see all of the credit cards. Scroll down to view the available Discover credit cards. Select the card that suits your needs and tap on Apply Now. On the application page, you can also be given the option to choose your card design. It requires your additional information such as zip code, mobile number, and last four digits of secured number. This is to pre-fill your card details or securing it. Once that is done, you can enter the required information, which includes full name, home address, date of birth, employment status, monthly housing or rent payment, total gross amount, and email address. After that, you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions they have set, which is terms and conditions, electronic communications, and authorization for social security number verification. Once all the fields are completed and agreements are accepted, you can click on submit and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.